Hi guys, did you know that you can use this toothpick hack and help save your oil while cooking? This is me. I put them in the cooking oil, and this was after the first batch, and I realized I should show you guys. So I had an impromptu plan to cook some mandazis for breakfast, and I needed to save on the oil so that I can use it for something else. You know about our economy right now. So those are my toothpicks after several rounds of cooking the mandazis. Forgive my pan, I need a new one. But anyway, so the toothpicks were there. They picked up the dirt that was coming in with the flour as I was cooking, and my fat was not fat, my oil was not as dirty, and also my mandazis were very clean. You see, sometimes they come out like they come out when they're a bit black, or they can even what can I say, zinaweza ungua, but as you can see, they are so good, they are clean because of the toothpicks. So toothpicks usually pick up the dirt from the flour, and also the what, they also pick any dirt from the fat, the oil, so you can use the oil again and again. So they are so yummy, they were so clear. I can even sell this one somewhere, but we will enjoy them for breakfast, and as you can see, inside there is no nyama, so they are very good for us. So try this toothpick hack. Yeah, as you can see, I've taken one of them. They are so good. So here are the toothpicks. They took up the dirt.